Hi everyone, and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So I'm here with CVS, and is this a fail? I don't know. Honestly, you can be the judge. None of this was free by any means, except this was a moneymaker. The rest of it really wasn't free. However, I am still really happy with it. It's got things we needed, like the Boost. My mom's uncle drinks Ensure. We just paid $6 to generic at Kroger. So for me, this was a really good deal on the Boost. This I would not have done. Besides the fact that in order for me to use my $10 from here, these things only came to like $8, so I had to have something else. So I did throw the Ajax in, and that was all I could do. I mean, but it wasn't, overall, I am happy with what I paid out of pocket, but I for sure went down an extra bucks, but I'm okay with it. That's what Amy was telling me today. I was chatting with her, and I was like, I've gone down such an extra bucks, and I got to do a bunch of little transactions. She said it's better to really keep the transactions at a smaller level so you know it all works. And that, honestly, I do like that because I can be honest with you, I've not had one issue at CVS since I started back. I hear all these horror stories about things not working. And I think the reason for a lot of it is if you have bigger transactions, sometimes CVS just glitches. And you know, I've not had those issues yet, and I hope I never do. I'd rather have a smaller amount of extra bucks and stuff. But it does come hard when you're doing deals like this Boost right here. It's hard because I had to pay some cash out for this. But I'm thrilled with what I paid. So I'm going to tell you what I did. All right, the Boost. This is on a deal this week, $6.99. And if you buy 4 of them, they're going to give you back a $10 extra buck. I used a $2 coupon. So this basically made it $19.96, and I got back 10. So this made it a net cost of $10 for 4, $2.50 each, which for Boost, that is pretty good. I think that's a good deal for Boost. The main thing is with this, like I said, I rolled in. I had $15 or so. So I paid, I believe it was $5.50, and there wasn't any tax. So that was a good deal for me. I'm happy with the out-of-pocket, but net cost was $10, which I don't think is bad at all for 4 things Boost, and my mom's uncle loves this stuff. So that was a good deal. All right. Here's the moneymaker, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost. This was $4.19 at my local CVS. I had a buy one, get one free CRT, and I know not everyone's going to have that, but that's the CRT I had, buy one, get one free. So, after utilizing that CRT, I paid $4.19 for 2. I got $3 back, and I also hit Beauty Club spending, so $4.19 minus 6. So it's like a $1.80 moneymaker, which was an awesome, awesome price. All right, the Crest 3D White Mouthwash. The bigger crusts are also included. However, I know my mom personally loves the Crest 3D White. And this wasn't the best deal in the world, but I did it because I don't know. I didn't really pay too much for this last transaction, but I lost in ECBs. $4.99. I had a $1 off CRT coupon. I had a $1 manufacturer coupon from the P&G. So I paid $2.99. I got back a $2 ECB. So it made it 99 cents, which is not the worst. On the Ajax. This was a good deal also. Well, actually, it's not that good of a deal, but like I said, I had to use my ECBs. Now, to explain this, I got $10 from the Boost. If I went ahead and traded in to get my cash card, I got the coupon, and I didn't use it last week, so I gave it to him today to get a cash card. So she gave me the cash card, I printed off a receipt with a $2 extra bucks. I actually had $12, so that was great. Count that in there. I had $12 to apply to. The $2 was free money. I didn't do anything special for that extra $2. The Ajax was $1.79, and you get back $3 when you purchase 3. Now, I've seen other stores have this for $1.49, so it was a bummer that my store was more, but it's all right. This transaction, my subtotal was 55 cents. I paid out of pocket $1.39, which I know we don't count it off of that. We're counting off net price. So really, the net for this was $10,250, so $12.50. 15. Really, net cost for all this stuff was more like $13, give or take, which I don't think is horrible for all that Boost and stuff. I don't think that's horrible. So this might be a fail in your eyes, like the Ajax and the Crest. Maybe that's a fail. I don't know. But, yeah, that is CVS for this week, and thank you so much for watching.